and she danced all night to the... I can't, I'm losing mine. That's still solid.
Yo, today is a very beautiful Monday and we have an Amber video. She's doing an IRL stream. It's long since we put an IRL stream of Amber. She has company of Dev or Devilink. Those of you who don't know, she was one of the TOS girls and they have gone bowling. Now let's see who has more skills. Let's just head straight into the video.
What? Nothing. Don't worry about it. You sit there looking pretty. Oh no. That's alright. It's not nothing.
Ah, she missed her.
Why are you looking at me like that? Because I can't figure you out. I don't know, you know what? You're like, it's like being on a date and not figuring out like what they like or what they want, you know what I mean?
I feel like Amber is not good at this game.
I would never go bowling for a first date, ever.
Guys, and those parts cut out, no, it's because of the copyright music.
That way.
Dave is not bad.
We need a compilation of being like, yes, no, yes. I just don't understand.
I mean, she's getting a couple of hits, but it's not like falling over. All of them is not falling over, you know. It's Nal's turn right now. Let's see the disaster class now.
Hey now, you should give her a personal lesson. Let's look at the person who's got a strike and a spare. Thank you. Hey, if you need a lesson on how to knock down all 10 pins, just hit me up, right? Just I need lessons on how to knock you. Not that kind of hit me up. Oh. None. There is no way. None. That's no way. Man, it takes skill to go through the middle like that and not hit any. This bitch acting like she's fucking winning it. I'm about to go to this shit on my spare round. Seen her guttable and she's acting like she winning the championship. Graceful in loss and victories. What can I say?
I like the way Dev is rolling Amber. Alright, let's go. She did it.
I think I've lost this round,
She did it. Dev won there. She clearly at least has some idea. It feels like it's Amber's first time going to bowl, bro. She thinks she's throwing it well, but it doesn't knock any of those. Oh my god. Can you imagine just a first date and taking them to bowl and they put up such a disaster class like the way Amber has done? I mean, bowling is all about the level of experience you have, you know, the number of times you've gone to it, how frequent you've done bowling, and then you get good at it eventually. But for Amber, I feel like either it's the first time or she's done it way less. Okay, let me know guys if you're good at bowling and what is your perfect score, what is your strategy, where do you aim so that you can knock all the items over. Let me know in the comment section down there below. And if you've made to this very end of the video, thank you so much for sticking around. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button for this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel, turn on post notification so that you may not miss my next upload. Let me meet in the next. Peace out.